Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Wise Owl English Learning. In today's video, we're going to look at 20 pairs of English words that are often confused. They may look or sound similar, but their meanings and uses are very different. So, if you've ever mixed up words like effect, and effects this video is for you, let's dive in and clear up the confusion. There,
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 this is their house. The book is over there. They're going to the park. Your,
your,
is this your bag? You're very happy. It's,
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 the cat is licking its paw. It's raining outside. Effect,
effect,
effect.
effect,
The medicine had an immediate effect on his pain. The weather can affect your mood. Then,
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 she is taller than her brother. I finished my homework and then I watched TV. Loose,
loose,
lose.
lose,
The little boy has a loose tooth and it's about to fall out. Don't lose your keys again. Compliment,
compliment,
compliment.
compliment,
They gave her a nice compliment on her new dress. That scarf complements your outfit perfectly. Advice,
advice,
advise.
advise,
I need your advice on what to do next. The doctor advised him to rest. Stationary,
stationary,
stationary.
stationary,
The car remained stationary at the red light. I bought new stationery for school. Farther,
farther,
further.
further,
He can run farther than I can. We need further discussion on this matter. Accept,
accept,
accept.
accept,
She accepted the job offer with excitement. Everyone at the birthday party was happy except Lucy. Illusion,
illusion,
illusion.
illusion,
The author made several allusions to Shakespeare in his novel. The magician created the illusion of a disappearing act. Ensure.
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 Please ensure that the door is locked. I need to insure my car. Capital.
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 Paris is the capital of France. The Capitol building is where laws are made in the USA. Weather.
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 The weather is nice today. She asked me whether I wanted tea or coffee. Dessert.
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 Camels live in the desert. Chocolate cake is my favorite dessert. Duel.
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 He has dual citizenship in both countries. The two men fought a duel to defend their honor. Bear.
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 His feet were bare, with no shoes. A bear was seen near the river. That's all for today. I hope this video helped you understand these tricky words. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Wise Owl English Learning, and hit the bell. Leave your questions or other confusing word pairs in the comments below. Thanks for watching.